Good day! Today, I'll be talking about our 2023 educational tour. But there's a twist. I'll be connecting to confidence level and sample sizes. So, let's go! So, let's say what if, back then, if the owner ran season wants to use the proportion of a population, like SPCD, to determine sample sizes needed to interview regarding their thoughts about creating a new room dedicated to the Game of Thrones. He wants to be able to assert with a probability of 0.90 that his error will be at most at 0.10. Zilamar polls in the past showed that 95% approved the new room. How large sample does Ryan season need? Given that the confidence level is at 90%, our z-score alpha over 2 is equal to 1.645, and our room for error is 0.10. Our next step is p equals 0.90 is to q equals 1 minus 0.90 equals 0.1. The next step is finding the answer for n. So we do this in n equals pq times z alpha over 2 over e will be equal to 0.90 times 0.1 times 1.645 over 0.10 squared, which is equal to n equals 24,354,225, which rounded up is n equals to 24.36. Good day, guys! So, now this time in this part of the vlog, we will connect it to related rates. Now, the story is, before we went to Fort Santiago, our tour guide told us that we will be taking a tour to the Manila Cathedral. In the entrance of the cathedral, you will quickly notice a fountain with a statue on the center of it. Now, the fountain with a radius of 3 meters was being filled with 2 meters cubed per minute. How fast was the height of the water increasing? Now, to solve for this, we would first need to draw an illustration and find dH over dt. With related rates, we need to find a function to relate the two variables. In this case, it is clearly volume and height. So the formula will be V equals pi r squared height, which will be V equals pi r 3 meters squared height. Since the radius is the formula, since the rate in this problem is time related, we need to implicitly differentiate with respect to time. So that would be equal to dv over dt equals parenthesis 9m squared parenthesis pi dh over dt. In the problem, we are given 2 meter cube per minute, which is dv over dt. So we substitute this in. dH over dt will be equal to 2 meter cube per minute 9m squared pi will be equal to 2 over 9 pi minute per minute.